Hey, it's the classy cheapskate, that's me. Guess what we're making? Today we are making something out of this huge teddy bear. Let's make a bearskin rug. Krista from Canada sent me something. This huge teddy bear. This has been in this bag. I put it in this bag for almost a year. Okay, 3/4 of a year to kill any bugs because she bought it on eBay, I believe, and it was used. So I didn't want bed bugs or lice or anything like that. So I bagged it up, sealed it shut, and now this day has come. I waited a little too long, actually. I only needed to wait 2 weeks. I stuck it in a hot van, hot sun, and cooked it. Cooked the crap out of it because it can't fit in a freezer. Freezers kill stuff. So, I think this video is going to be really easy. Let's just tear the stuffing out of this and make the bearskin rug. Okay, let's go. 3/4 of a year passed, and now I'm ready to open it up and turn it into the bearskin rug, and you guys can follow along. That's what Krista's gonna do. Thank you, Krista. Let's go. Rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-two. Whoa! Oh, it's time again, my friends, to sing a song for you about the teddy bear that was so big and it turned into poo-poo. Not really. World, let me tell you a stuff. World, let's turn a teddy bear into a bearskin rug. And go. I squeeze this into the bag. I mean, whoa, it's really heavy. So obviously if you have a huge teddy bear, you are going to have to empty it.
So
waste not, want not. Let's take the stuffing and stick it in a big bin, okay? If you have a tub with a lid, that way no critters will get in your stuffing. You can use it for a future project, make a pillow, another stuffed animal, or do whatever you want. You can make a huge fluffy cloud out of the stuffing and hang it from your ceiling. Now, we're just going to take the stuffing, put it in here. How are you gonna make a hole in it? Well, if you're making a bearskin rug, wouldn't you want the best part to show? Look at the stomach, okay? That's more interesting than the back of the bear. Let's take a look at the back of the bear. Boring. Okay, so let's see. The back's gonna be hidden, so we're gonna slice the back open. What do you think about slicing the butt open? Okay, so let's get a pair of scissors. Just make a hole big enough for your hand to get in, okay? There's already a seam here. So we're just going to reopen the old seam. It feels like it's about 6 inches. This actually is very fun and easy. I mean, what am I supposed to say? Let's just play some music. I wonder how long this is going to take. Should put it in fast motion. I mean, this is the hardest part of the whole project. I don't really like the hearts on the bear, so maybe later down the road I'll cover up the hearts, or maybe I'll come to like them over time. I don't know. They're plaid, red and white checker plaid type look. I wonder if this bear was made in China. Yep. I don't like the tag, so I'm gonna cut that off. So when you make your rug, you can even put a non-slip pad below, but I'm not going to because I'm not going to be slipping all over it. I'll probably lay it on a carpet anyway. I wonder how much stuff I can make out of this. I might need more than one bin. These bins are cheap at Walmart. They're $6. That's good these days. Just imagine somebody in the year 2040s watching this and they're She only paid $6 for that? Or watch things like, watch money not even exist. And then people don't even know what stuffing is anymore because it all needs fumigated in secondhand stores and antique markets. This world's so strict. They don't have to fumigate on eBay. That's why I had to fumigate this myself. Dude, this is so boring for you probably, so I'm going to stop it. We'll go to the next step after I empty this baby out. You know, when you get to the legs, just stick your arm down in there and pull it out. It's like, boom, you know? Like Emerald Lagasse. Bam! The cook. Look it up if you don't know who he is. He's famous because when he cooks, he says bam.
So you go bam! Bam, 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 bam! Like that. Bam! That's right. Bam, bam, bam!
So yeah. Oh, I wanted to tell you. So the bearskin rug's gonna be flat, but I'm leaving the head filled with stuffing because, I mean, bearskin rugs, their heads are big, you know? So don't pull the stuffing out of the head. You can always put it back if you accidentally pull it out, you know? But we want the head to be, you know, keep as much stuffing in the head. And then, do you think we should have fluffy feet? Like, no. You can keep fluffy feet if you want, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna keep a fluffy tail though. Actually, the tail's sewn shut, so I can't even take it out unless I open it. Well, guys, as you can see, I filled a lot. Okay, I filled 1, 2, and then partial of the bin. The head is too full. The feet, I like just a little in them. And you know, you can use it's reversible. You can use both sides of the rug. So if you want to see the back side with the hearts, you can do that, or you can keep the front side. And you know, yours probably doesn't have hearts. Oops, I gotta turn my air conditioner off. So, oh, I don't want this heart. So I'm gonna cut this heart off. It's just connected by 2 little strings anyway. It's not even gonna put a hole in the, there. But before we do that, let's take out more of the fluff out of the head until we're happy with the size of it. Because it shouldn't be so prominent that it's just weird. Even though I suppose it probably is weird to make a rug out of a big bear, right? You know, weird's good, but we want it to look the best we can. I'm kneading the dough, the bear dough. I think we don't want the eyes to be saggy. You know what I mean? We want some oomph to the eyeballs because we don't want the bear to look, we want to have it have a little personality still. I think I'm liking it now. So we just gotta get this out of the stomach. All right, I'll finish that and I'll be right back. As you can see, there's already a hole in it. So, you know, I'm doing good here, recycling. All we gotta do is clip off the heart. It's so easy. Somebody got this from their lover one time, I'm sure. And now they're broken up. Or maybe they just don't want the bear anymore. All we have to do now is hot glue or sew this short little area shut again. You can use thread and a needle, which takes too long for me. So I am going to use hot glue. I love my hot glue. I'm just going to put hot glue all along one seam here. And then, without burning myself, squeeze it all together. Hold it for a few seconds, and it should be done. Although I think we should do a strength test. Oh, I think it's very well hidden. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's check it out. You guys, listen. I pulled the tail to the side, okay? You can stick it back under, but I thought it was cute sticking out. And you can tilt the head. You can tilt the head towards you or away, whatever you want. I just really like it. And the feet kind of still show if you want them to, or you can tilt it down. I like it to show a little. All right, let's relax on it. Well, that's it, people. This could even be a blanket, a teddy bear blanket that you sleep with. That could be comfy. Thanks for watching the Classy Cheapskate, and if you have any ideas, just put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Shabam! Have fun making your own teddy bear rug. I'll rock the top teddy too.